Hello everyone, today is December 10th, 2021, that is Friday. The following are the important articles that we have to read for our competitive examinations. The first article for today is India pays homage to first CDS wife and 11 other crash victims. So the first thing that you have to notice is indeed it is a sad thing. So that is one bit of news, and sometimes likely we'll get questions asked indirectly related to the incident that has happened. So be abreast of the role of CDS, the powers of CDS, the importance of CDS, or not only that, why theater commands are important for our country. Though it might seem that they are unrelated, but the post of CDS is directly related to the existence of theater commands or creation of theater commands, and from that perspective, these become very, very important. So please be aware of the background information or the background knowledge that you need to answer any questions in regards to the post of CDS. Coming to page number 3, in page number 3 we have only one article, Ken Batwa project a boon for Bundelkhand. The first important thing that you have to notice in this article is what is Ken Batwa project, why it is important for not only Bundelkhand region but the entire state. So from that perspective, background article, so background information is much more important than what is being discussed in the article. So that is how you approach this bit of information. Coming to page number 5, bird flu triggers alert in Alappuzha. So bird flu, important. Second thing is why avian flu or these kinds of outbreaks happen in Kerala and surrounding areas in much more frequency when in compared to other parts of our country. From that perspective, read this article. That would be one point of inquiry that you have to follow so that you can answer questions both in prelims and mains and other state service examinations. Hope you understood the line of inquiry that you need to do in this article. Coming to page number 6, that would be editorial, children and schooling in post-COVID era, COVID-19 era. The first thing that you have to notice is education in this current climate has become one of the most important topics that needs to be addressed both by individuals, by the government and by the policymakers. In the sense, education occupies a lot of importance in the eyes of competitive examination boards, that either may be the state boards or the central boards. So from that perspective, read this article. So a tragic loss again, as I was saying earlier, tri services operational capabilities means integrated theater commands. Learn as much as you can that is required for our answering of our questions either in prelims or mains or other state service examinations. From that perspective, this becomes very, very, very important. Please do read them. Omicron shadow. So this is in regards to how the RBI must respond to the new variants that are emerging from around the world and the impact that they might have or they will have on our economy. That coming to page number 8, that is news. I know a lot of information regarding the death of the CDS, but the important article in this paper, in this particular page, is more cyclones in Arabian Sea recently, minister tells RS. So you need to understand the factors behind the rise of number of cyclones that are being recorded in Arabian Sea compared to the past. Is this directly related to climate change? Is this directly related to the shift in currents? Something like that. So the background is important. Environment issue related. Not only that, the impact that it is going to have on our economy from that side, on the human lives, the infrastructure is also something that you have to concentrate on. So from that perspective becomes important. Coming to page number 9, no peace with AFSPA and NSCN IM. So two things that you have to read from this article. What is AFSPA? The checkered history of AFSPA in northern states, why it has been a problematic point of view for various governments, not only in respective states but at the center state, at the heart of the center state issues. The second thing is internal terror organizations such as NSCN IM. So you have to read this article from the perspective of internal security, from historical perspective to the current scenario, what has changed, what needs to be changed, what are the issues, what are the concerns. This article you have to read not only from the perspective of prelims but also from the perspective of mains. Hope that has been clear. bills to extend tenures of ED CBI chiefs passed in LS. So in this you have to be very careful and be aware of all the nuances that are related to the post of ED and CBI chiefs, their appointment, their demotion, their whatever you call the all the information regarding their job, their post has to be who is eligible, what are the conditions, who selects them, is there a committee, isn't there a committee, who heads the committee, who is not heading the committee, why are there any previous Supreme Court judgments in regards to the posts of CBI and ED directors, why their posts are very important. From that perspective, please do read this article. RS passes Farmer Education Bill. So this is very important. Go to PRS Legislative, if possible, get the summary and try to understand, because there are certain key changes that have been made in the Farmer Education Bill and they might have an impact on future admission in that regard. Coming to page number 10, new paper offers ways to curb suicides. So this is again an important topic. Suicides, are the high percentage of suicide rates in India, is a cause of concern, particularly women and girls. And the second area where we say high percentage of suicides is farmers. Not only that, recently there has been a spike in male suicides also. So this becomes very important. Try to link up any article from NIMHANS Bangalore, National Institute of Mental Health and Sciences from Bangalore. They are doing a fantastic job in this regard, and they are working with the central government and various state governments in addressing these issues, particularly mental health issues. So always try to get their perspective on what they are saying and what would be one particular solution in regards to mental health and suicide rates in our country. That should be your link, because they are doing a fantastic job and they are a voice of authority that the governments are listening to. So their opinion becomes of much more and utmost importance. So when you quote their data, when you quote their suggestions, your answer value also becomes exponentially better. Coming to page number 11, democracy doesn't happen by accident. So this is the democracy summit that is being conducted by the President of United States. You have to read everything. There is no point, there is no start, there is no end. Read everything. Who are invited, who wasn't invited, why were they invited, why weren't they invited, what are the core issues that Biden is covering in this summit, what is the stakes at this summit, and why it is important. So moving on, Modi lauds US for summit, Imran to give it a miss. Again related to the democracy summit conducted in US, being conducted in US. From that perspective, read the Indian standpoint of view, also important. Biden to call Ukraine leader amid Russian row. So be aware of what is taking place between Ukraine and Russia and why US is muddled in this. Just for now, read until that translates into some sort of a physical action. You are not going to be worried about it. Just be aware that there is a situation brewing in Baltic right now. Coming to page number 12, business, India's retail inflation likely accelerated in November to 5.1%. What are the factors that always affect Indian retail inflation? What are the measures that the RBI or the banking agencies taking to control this inflation, particularly RBI? Have they been successful? If they have been successful, why? If they have failed, again, why? What are the core issues that India needs to address to control its inflation? And also read the impact of inflation on the sections of our society. Imports made up 86% of gold supply in 2016-20, says WGC. Gold, read it from Indian perspective, important. Government mulls 5G testbed rollout in early January. 5G technology, science and technology perspective, and the impact that it is going to have on India. 2 points of inquiry for students. Now, coming to text and context, the diplomatic Olympic boycott. So the boycott of Beijing's Winter Olympics by various other countries, why they are doing it, why it is significant, what China is doing. From that perspective, read this article. So the second article that I would like to suggest is the OTT proliferation. So read it. From an exam perspective, I don't see that much importance, but I might be wrong. So just to be safe, just read this article, understand what they are talking about and why India is a significant market in the OTT arena. So these are the important articles that we have to read for competitive exams, whether it may be state services or central services. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing. share this video with your fellow friends who are preparing for exams so that they too can take advantage of this analysis or just whatever you assume it to be. Thank you. Namaste.